Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ahmad. My ID is 003 and today I'm here to present my presentation and my topic is second consolidation. So first of all, let's do its definition. A reaction for making an unsaturated aromatic acid by heating an aromatic aldehyde with an acid anhydride in the presence of base such as sodium acetate or potassium carbonate. Now moving towards the Perkin reaction is an organic reaction developed by English chemist William Henry Perkin that is used to make cinnamic acid. It gives an alpha beta unsaturated aromatic acid by the aldol condensation of an aromatic aldehyde and an acid anhydride in the presence of an alkali salt of the acid. The alkali salt acts as a base catalyst and other base can be used instead. Basically, in this reaction, a benzyl aldehyde or other reactions, benzyl aldehyde react with acetic hydride to form this cinnamic acid. Now, if we talk about its mechanism, it consists of three steps. In step one, acetic anhydride, and in this step, acetic anhydride and the sodium acetate is a bake base, and acetic anhydride is weak acid. In this step, this react with sodium acetate to substrate this hydrogen towards on the oxygen which have the negative charge, from subtract from the alpha position, and from and we get this carbonyl form of the reaction. And moving towards step two, in this step two, it is nucleophilic addition reaction. This carbonyl compound react on the other substituents in which this negative charge on the carbon react with carbon, and these double bond between the carbon and oxygen broke and shift on the oxygen due to the higher electronegativity of the oxygen. And these pairs written for the benzene. By this, then we get this structure, and by this we get this structure with nucleophilic addition reaction take place. Now moving towards step 3, this is NS2 mechanism reaction. First one is addition reaction and this is elimination reaction. In this reaction, oxygen react to the oxygen which have the negative charge react with the carbon, and the double bond between the carbon and oxygen break due to the higher electronegativity of the oxygen. This CO double bond O is an hydride structure, and in the first step of the addition reaction, on this bond between the carbon and oxygen break and shift on the carbon, and this negative charge on the oxygen come back to its position, and we get this structure, and we get this structure. And in this reaction, carbon double bond oxygen leaving as the departs group, departs as the leaving group, and we get the structure beta group and the alpha group. When we heated it in the AI condition, this this bond shifted on the bond between the carbon, and the carbon bond CH double bond O bond O departs at the living root and form this reaction. After that, H as acid react and we form at the end we get the stomach acid. The pathway of the reaction. The Perkin reaction gives an alpha beta unsaturated aromatic acid via the aldol concentration of an aromatic aldehyde and acid anhydride. The alkali salt of the acid is also present. The, the alkali salt acts as a base catalyst. The Perkin reaction can be considered as a type of condensation reaction. Now, if we talk of application, the Perkin reaction gives an alpha beta unsaturated aromatic acid via the aldol condensation of an aromatic aldehyde and a acetic anhydride. One of the most application of the Perkin reaction is the laboratory of synthesis of phytoestrogenic stimulant reverse reverse. So that's all from my side. Thank you.